Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Amber and we are a homeschooling family of two kiddos ages 7 and 12. We are also on our own little journey of getting our house finished and on the market and sold so that we can purchase an RV and live in our RV.
2, 1, go! What'd you find? What is it? Oh, surely not. Where? Oh, he's gone now. Oh, he's right there.
Do you think I can climb it this time?
Maybe.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh!
I keep getting that. Guess what? We should name Livy.
Yeah.
Like Olivia, but Livy. Short.
She's trapped in sinking sand. Navy, we gotta save her. Oh no, Navy's trapped in sinking sand. No, save the piggies. What are these kiddos up to? Oh, that's kind of messy.
Daddy's Sparkle Butt.
You got a sparkle butt?
That's Tiger Butt. That's Tiger Butt.
Sparkle butt?
No, that's Tiger Butt's house.
Oh, that's Sparkle Butt's house?
Yeah.
Oh, hi Sparkle Butt. I like your house.
Somebody got glitter on your butt. That means I'm gonna name you Sparkle Butt. Hi. I'm the Sparkle Butt.
Your name's Sparkle Butt?
Yeah, look.
My name's Littlefoot. I mean Bigfoot. I mean Medium Foot. Oh, is this your house?
Yeah, look.
And you can fly up there?
Here.
Want to see my house? That's my house. Whoa! You're all the way up in the sky.
I had to make her go faster. Like this.
Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in here really quick and say hello. This is probably going to be another short video as we don't have a whole lot going on right now, but it is what it is. So it's been a week since my colonoscopy and endoscopy, and my throat doesn't hurt anymore. It only hurt for like a day, maybe 2 days. My jaw is still sore, so I'm not sure what's going on there. I did read that they could, while they're maneuvering things around, they could accidentally pop your jaw out of socket. So it doesn't hurt when I eat. Like when I bite down, it doesn't hurt. But if for some reason I, go like this, or the stress rub, it's like, oh, that hurt a little bit, but it doesn't hurt near as bad, so it's not getting worse. I'm not really going to worry about it. I did have my biopsy stuff come back, and there is something that showed up in the biopsy, but I have a follow-up with my GI next Friday, I think it is. So I don't want to say anything about it to you guys until I understand and know more information about it. Obviously, I don't want to tell you something wrong. So I want to make sure I've got my facts straight before I tell them to you. I did make the decision on my own. I probably should call them and ask. But I did make the decision to stop taking the antacid things that they gave me twice a day, because the one in the morning was actually kind of making me feel a little bit funky. Kind of like when I can tell I've taken Imodium too much, because it makes me almost feel like I'm high. I'm very foggy brained, and like my head kind of buzzes, and that's what it was starting to do. So I'm going to try and see what happens if I just take one. I was only supposed to take it twice a day for 30 days. Of course, I've only done it for 6 days. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. And then I can talk to her about why I stopped taking both, or taking 2 of them in a day, and we'll go from there. So after next week, hopefully I will be able to give you more information on what I've found out from my procedure. I also wanted to do a quick homeschool update. I know I haven't been doing very many of them, but that's because, well, not much has changed. And, well, to be honest, most of my views are not on my homeschool videos. So I will just throw in a quick one in here, and you can either watch it or don't watch it. So, but we are around 142 days. I'm not sure, but my sister's up from Arkansas this week because they're on spring break. So we are going to go ahead and take our spring break. So today, Thursday, tomorrow, Friday will be spring break. Then, of course, I'll have Saturday, Sunday, but spring break. So we can spend time with my sister and my niece. But we have finished up some subjects, and we've also chosen to just stop some subjects. We are around 40 days away from being done for the summer. And even though my kids aren't sitting in a classroom for 7 hours doing schoolwork, they are over some things. They're either bored with it, or it's too hard, or whatever. They're just done. One of them being Fix It Grammar for Keaton. He's in 6th grade. He is literally at the point where he's not even making sure that he's fixing everything. He's just writing stuff above words and not even really worrying about whether it's right or not. So I told him, I'm not going to fight you about it, because obviously you're just over it. So we are going to stop doing it for the rest of this year, and then we'll pick it back up next year, or this fall. And yeah. So what does that mean? That means we will just focus on history every day of the week. We are in the process right now of reading I can't think of his name right off the top of my head, but he wrote Brian's Winter and the River, and all those books. So we are in the process of reading those. So we'll just continue to read those this year. He's still going to do math because he needs to be doing math. We aren't really where I would like for him to be in the school year with math, but that's okay, because there is no such thing as behind in homeschool. We are just where we are, and that's it. So then with Kinsey, we have finished up her emotions workbook. She was kind of getting bored with it and really didn't care about it. So I just went through and picked out the ones that I wanted to make sure we did, and then got rid of the rest of it. So we finished that up. On Wednesdays, we're going to make sure we're reading a book. We're just going to add that in. And she's also finished up the health pages. So I'm just going to go on YouTube and find a kids version or kid related health video, and she can just watch that for the rest of the year. As far as that goes, math, all about reading, all about spelling. Sorry, her kitten brought her ball up. She'll just continue with those until the end of the school year. So, yep, that was my quick little homeschool update. And I think that's all I've got to tell you guys. So, we'll get back to the video.
Okay, so my sister and mom and brother and sister-in-law went to a snack store in around Avon, Fisher's area, and they brought all kinds of snacks back for us to all try together.
All right, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel. We really, really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please definitely hit that subscribe button and help support our channel even more. See you next time, guys.